Hello everyone, in this particular video we'll be seeing about performing foundational data ML and AI tasks in Google Cloud. And so let's get started. So can you just tell me which is puppy and which is muffin? I'm pretty sure you'll be able to say this is puppy and this is muffin, right? Because pretty easy question. If I give you 10,000 images of puppies and muffins, will you be able to sort it? Takes a lot of time, but I guess you will be able to sort it. Yeah. Now, can you tell if you will be able to sort it? It's tough, pretty tough to sort, I guess, right? So let's get to the point. How do we solve this problem? And so what we can do is feed in the thousands of puppies photos and thousands of muffins photo to train your machine learning model. And so it has some examples to learn from. It has like thousands of photos, right? So it will learn, it has so many examples to learn from, and then it will be able to detect which is a puppy photo and which is a muffin photo. And exactly that's what we can do in this particular case. Okay, let's get in depth. Okay, in order to create a machine learning model, you should have a lots of training data, and we do not have this kind of data right now in our case, right? So let's see what we can do. But Google does. Google has lots of data to train the models and expose it as a machine learning API. So what we can do is, we'll be like, hey Google, take this image and tell me which is cookie, which is muffin, and it does the which is puppy and which is muffin, and it will tell you which is puppy and which is muffin. And this allows you to predict anything, right? So yeah, you can get insights from the data using Google Cloud's pre-trained machine learning models, and leverages same technologies as Google Photos and Google Assistants. Requires zero prior knowledge of machine learning. This is very important. This requires zero prior knowledge of machine learning. I have been getting a lot of DMs that, do we need a high knowledge of machine learning to do this particular track? There's nothing like that. You don't need anything. You don't need really anything. You just need to keep your mind and do the things, and that's it. It's very basic. And yeah, what are Google Cloud machine learning APIs? So you have vision API, you have cloud intelligence, you have speech to text, you have natural language, you have translation. And speech to text, I guess you'll be able to know. And video intelligence is basically video, to get something out of a video, and vision from photo. And translation to translate text, and natural language processing, we'll see it in a while. Yeah, speech to text. Google speech to text enables developers to convert audio to text by applying powerful neural network model. Yeah, in a easy to use API. That API recognizes 120 languages and variants to support global user base. It can process real-time streaming and pre-recorded audio using Google's machine learning technology. And lab 1, Google Cloud Speech API Quick Start. So in this particular thing, you need to create a API key, create your speech API request, and call the request, and that's it. And you call the create speech API request, and that will return back you the text whatever you have. And if you have any sort of doubts, contact chat session, which is in Quick Labs, and they'll be able to get back to you as soon as possible. That's it from this video. Hope you liked it.